procurement para
Yes.
magkaroon ng supply.
We are procuring and we have supplies coming in. You don't know. The supply is depleted because there is an emergency and there's a need for it. So everybody is buying. That's the reason why there is a scarce supply in the market. Without the virus, the masks are not being sold by the thousand. Eh, may virus eh. Kaya yung virus ang nagpamahal niyan. But if you're asking, is government doing something to buy more, to protect more? Yes, we are doing it. We are not just sitting down here. That's why we called for this conference. And we have resources coming in. We do not want to give you the expectations because that's something which cannot be delivered almost all on time. And you know, sometimes when we announce it, it is taken differently, in a different